As the ultimate provider of wooden playsets in North Carolina, Woodplay of the Carolinas was in need of a digital presence that represented their premium products. With a full funnel marketing approach, Red Shark Digital launched a new website, along with a digital campaign to increase website traffic, leads, and sales. Combining the components of PCC advertising, social media advertising, and local SEO, creating a profound online presence for Woodplay of the Carolinas that sends consumers directly down the sales funnel. With the goal of increasing brand awareness and revenue through increased digital awareness, our team developed a list of solutions to achieve this outcome. Through a combination of SEO, search engine advertising, social media management, retargeting advertising, and website development, Red Shark Digital was able to reach a 48% increase in users visiting the website via search engine advertising, as well as a 47% increase in website sessions and an amazing 150% growth in users visiting the website through Google My Business profile. Here are some of the statistics showing the increased activity on the Woodplay website.